Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting problem. Let us see one problem. Given that the probability density function of capital X is x equal to kx, x varies from 0 to 1. Find the value of k. That means the given function, they given one constant. First we are going to find the value of k. Second one, find of x greater than 0. Okay, so what is given? The given function is f of x equal to kx, limit varies from 0 less than x less than 1, right? So what is our first question? First question, we are going to find k value, that means the constant k value. So here they given one constant, we are going to find that constant value, that is nothing but k. Okay, so we know that how to find k value means by using probability density function. Okay, so here we know that probability density function is nothing but what? Integration minus infinity to plus infinity f of x into dx equal to 1. Okay, so here we know what is f of x. F of x is nothing but kx. So limit varies from what? 0 to 1. So using this limit we find a k value, right? So I am going to write this limit varies from 0 to 1. F of x value is what? Kx dx equal to 1. Okay, so here k is constant. We take outside from this integral, we get what? K into 0 to 1 x into dx equal to 1, right? So we know that what is integration of x power n into dx? That is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? So here n value is 1. So using integration formula, so we can write this k into what is integration of x into dx? That is nothing but x square by 2, limit varies from 0 to 1, that is equal to 1, right? So now we substitute wherever x equal to 1 minus lower limit x equal to 0. Okay, so we can write this k into 1 by 2, 1 square means 1, so 1 by 2 minus substitute x equal to 0 here, substitute x equal to 0 here, so we get 0, that is equal to 1. So we can write this k by 2 equal to 1, right? So therefore k 2. Okay, so how to find this one is using properties of distribution function. We get what? We know that the probability of x greater than a, that is equal to what? Integration a to infinity f of x into dx, right? So here what is a value? That is 0.5. So substitute here, we get probability of x greater than 0.5, that is equal to integration 0.5. What is the upper limit? The given problem upper limit is what? 0 less than x less than 1. If f of x equal to what? Kx. So upper limit is 1. So here we consider 1. F of x is kx into dx. Okay. So that is equal to integration 0.5 1. What is k value? K value is nothing but 2. 2x into dx. So here 2 is constant, right? So we take outside from this integral, we get 2 into what is integration of x? X square by 2. Limit varies from 0.5 to 1. So now we substitute wherever x equal to 1 minus x equal to 0. So we can write this what? 2 into substitute x equal to 1 here. So we get 1 square, that means 1 by 2 minus 0.5 whole square by 2. Okay, so here 2 are getting cancelled, right? So we get what? 1 minus 0.5 whole square. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 minus. What is 0.5 whole square? That is 0.25. Okay, so therefore 1 minus 0.5, it is nothing but what? 0.75. Otherwise we can write this what? 3 by 4. Okay, so this is nothing but probability of x greater than 0.5. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.